guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you from my RV right now. We are taking this to the Bears Cardinals game tomorrow and we're gonna tailgate with it. We've never done this before, but we're super excited. So I figured I would just hop on here and just clean it up a bit. It's not too dirty because we took it out last month for our birthdays. And so yeah, it just needs to be cleaned up just a little bit. So I thought this would be a fun cleaning video because it's pretty random and I don't know that I've ever seen an RV cleaned with me video. So I thought it would be something fun to try. So if you guys want to see me clean my RV, let's do it. Alright guys, the first thing I like to do is sprinkle some of this Pet Fresh on the furniture and the carpets, and then I just kind of let this soak in while I clean the rest. And then afterwards I vacuum it all up and it just makes the RV smell so nice. I'm using my Method Anti-Bac. All of the products I'm using, well, most of them are from Grove Collaborative, and I do still have a link right now. If you guys want to try it out, you can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer set, and I will post that down in the description box below. If you guys have never tried Grove, oh my goodness, you should. It's a great website where you can get all of your cleaning supplies in one spot, and they deliver it straight to your door, and they've got wonderful products. They smell good, and I'm really happy with them. So, alright, so yeah, I'm just going through and wiping down all the wood. It gets super dusty out here, so I'm just kind of cleaning all that. And then I'm going to go through with my Caldrea spray and clean all of like the kitchen, the countertops, and the dining table because it smells so good, and I just wanted the RV to smell nice. And to clean out my sink, I'm using the Norwex cleaning paste. I get asked about this a lot. I use it a lot in my cleaning videos because I use it all over my house. I use it bathtubs, sinks, cooktop. It has so many different uses, and I'll put a link down below for this as well. I'm not a consultant or anything, but I do really enjoy the products, and this cleaning paste is awesome. I believe it's $30 for the little tub, but it's gonna last you a long time. I've had this thing a couple months and it's barely even used. And a little background on the RV, we came across this amazing deal to get it over the summer and we couldn't pass it up, so we thought it'd be so much fun to have. We actually took it across the country back in June. We took it back home to Illinois with the kids and we had a blast. It was so much fun. This thing, I believe it's a 99, and we have plans to renovate it, and we want to do some fun stuff to it, but so far we've just been kind of enjoying it how it is. But one day we're going to renovate it, and that will be a huge reveal for you guys, so stick around. That'll be later down the road, but that is one of our plans that we want to do. We just want to like do some fun stuff to it. But yeah, we've been really loving having this, and we don't use it too often, but it's just cool that we have it, and we know we can take it up north or over to California whenever we want. that does it. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for our tailgating video. I plan to do a little vlogging tomorrow and I'll record some of the game. Yeah, we're super excited to be going. So, all right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.